So we just figured out why the pond was leaking. It's a big hole, but not much water went in this area. But you can see something chewed through here completely. Probably a rat or something, but that made a giant hole in that liner. So we're gonna use better liner than this. But that's crazy. There's holes everywhere. Look at that. There, there. Even shows signs of being chewed there. These rats are, or whatever did this, are vicious. We gotta make sure for when we set it up again, this won't happen. So we got all the fish in this IBC tote that I was going to use for the aquaponics, but didn't. And they're all in here. So I wanted to put it in here like this because now I can tell how many gallons it is. It is almost at the 175 mark, but it's at an angle, so I believe it will be a total of 175 gallons if the pond was completely full. Because it had a little, it wasn't completely full when we were draining it. So I think the pond was only about 175 instead of the 200, 250 what we thought it was. Can't really see the fish in there. Turtles in here too, hopefully it doesn't eat them. We got that completely drained and all the fish moved, so now we'll have to take out this liner and then we'll basically make a shape with some rope and start planning the true design. We have a rough idea of how we want to make it, but now that we have this out, we can get a better understanding. So we still have to move a bunch of these rocks out of the way, all over there, move this liner, still all those rocks. We got to get that plan out of the way. The plan is to either put the filter behind there or remove that fence and make some more space for the pond, and still put the filter on that side. But you can see we're making progress. Here you can see the area we'll be using for the pond. We kind of laid out a rough shape using some rope, so we have a good size. But you can see that was just the end of day 2, basically the end of the deconstruction of my original pond, or the pond my brother built. But from this, you can see the idea is to have a bog filter over there, a waterfall over here. This other area is the pond, and then probably like a skimmer over there, and a bottom drain, like one here, one there, maybe just one, but we'll see. So thank you for watching.